Hello everybody. Tonight, Happy New Year, by the way. I'm doing this on New Year's Day. Anyway, our project is going to be to make our own laundry soap. Now, I've done this in the years past, and it works pretty good, but, you know, you get lazy and get coupons and get detergent cheap and stuff, and so you just don't do it. But, anyway, we're going to go ahead and make our own laundry soap. Now, one of the things I'm going to be using, I used to use Fells Naphtha, and I still got a bar of that, but I wanted to try the Pink Zote. This is a 14.1 ounce bar. It's pretty thick. I'm going to use half the bar. I'm going to put in about a cup of baking soda. How many was this? Three cups of washing powder. 3 cups of 20 mule team borax. A cup of oxygen cleaner. This I got this at the Dollar Tree, so it was just $1. So that's pretty good price. The rest of the stuff, I guess I got it all at Walmart, didn't I?
Dollar General.
Dollar General. Okay, got it at Dollar General. I had forgot. Anyway, and we got the these scent crystals. We're gonna put a cup or so of that in there. Did I say how much of this? A cup of the oxygen booster. And while we were at Dollar Tree, we picked up a container to put our laundry soap in. Got my measuring cup back there. And I've got this little handheld grater that we're going to try to use for grinding the soap, shredding it. I've got the small, you can't see in there, I don't guess, maybe the small grater blade in it. You can do this on just a box grater or flat grater, or if you have a food processor, you can shred it, grate it with that. So let's get started. Okay, we've got 4 little blocks cut that we think are going to fit through that handheld grater all right. It smells really good, y'all. It smells really fresh and clean.
And it smells like it also has citronella in it.
It does have citronella in it?
Yeah.
And that's what we're...
But yeah, I think it's got citronella in it, and it has the fragrance.
Well, it smells good.
Because it smells like citronella.
It smells fresh and clean.
And it also smells clean.
Yeah.
But maybe it'll keep the bugs away.
Maybe. The mosquitoes. Okay, let's see if that'll grind through or not. Seems like it's doing it.
Yeah, it's just...
Okay.
It's doing it.
The soap is fairly soft. It's not like one of those hard bars of soap or something, so... So we're going to get this grated up and I'll bring you back. Okay, all the soap that we're going to use right now has been shredded except for a couple of little scraps. We're not going to worry about those. Might wash our hands with them or whatever. Yeah, rub them on a stain. Anyway, so now I guess the first thing to do is get the laundry booster. I don't think it matters what order these go in, but that's just what we're picking first. So 3 cups of that. Remember, this isn't rocket surgery or anything like that. So if you're over a little or under a little, it's not going to matter. 3 cups of the borax. Pretty good. Then 1 cup each of baking soda, yeah, that there. And it comes with a little scoop in it.
OxiClean stuff.
Yeah, the OxiClean.
This is no chlorine.
Yeah. So a cup of that. And I noticed at the Dollar Tree, and they have an orange scented one too. But this is one I picked up because I knew I was going to be putting other scents in here. and a cup of baking soda if I've got that much left. If I don't, we'll just use whatever there is. Guess there is. This one is going to be a dry mix. In years past, when I'd made laundry soap, I'd mixed it with hot water and did the...
Made a gel.
Yeah.
Liquid soap.
Yeah. So we're going to use one capful.
Just one capful of these.
Of the beads. Yeah,
here.
of the crystal beads in there.
And just like, if you wanted to go even cheaper, you could just make your own flavor crystals.
Right, because as you can see, look at that. You know what that is?
It's just Epsom salt and flavor.
Yeah. So you could take Epsom salt and any
oil,
essential oils of any kind, and make your own. So the next thing to do is going to be to stir it up. So I'll bring you back when we get it closer to being completely incorporated. Okay, so that's probably about as well as we're going to be able to get it incorporated. It looks like laundry soap. All the pink and blue and the white powder in there. It's very concentrated. There's no fillers, of course, like there are with commercial ones. So, and we said we would use probably a tablespoon.
Or less.
Or less, because we got one of those really tiny portable washing machines. So
it's probably like a third the size of a normal washing machine.
Right. So it won't take much, and if something's heavily soiled, we'll just add more.
And there's this scoop came with the OxyClean. So.
Yeah, so half of that or so. We're going to put a date on the container, so we'll know how long it lasts. Yeah. I don't know how many loads it'll be, but over time.
Yeah.
We do what, wash twice a week or something?
Probably wash twice a week, two loads.
Okay.
Each time.
Yeah. So let us get it into the container and get it labeled so we'll know that this is laundry soap and not cake topping or something, because it's pretty. So I'll bring you right back. Okay, so we got about 2.5 quarts of the laundry soap mixed up. So a tablespoon at a time, it's going to go a long way.
Yeah.
And we'll write on it what it is and the date that we packaged it. Now I was trying to add up the cost. The total overall cost was under $12, I think. Or about $12. But keep in mind, we've still got things left.
Yeah, there's still plenty to do, a whole nother.
Yeah, there's another half bar of the Zote, and there's more of all this other stuff. So it may be $4 or $5 worth, I don't know, maybe less, into the container. Now, we usually wash our clothes in cold water. So, if this does not seem to be dissolving, what we'll do is mix it into some hot water, get it dissolved, and then put it in the washing machine. So, I'll update later on.
Basically turn into a liquid detergent.
Yeah, with each little load.
Yeah.
So, I'll let you know later on how that works out for us. And like I said, in the past, I'd made the gel, made 5-gallon bucketfuls of the gel, and it worked pretty good. Yeah. And was cheap to make.
It just takes up a lot of space.
It does. It takes up a lot of space.
And you have to stir it every time.
Yeah. But with this, it's just this one container, and this is a 3-quart container? Or no,
it's a 3-quart container. It's no bigger than a jug of laundry detergent.
Right, right. So that won't take up much space at all. Alright, let me know if you ever make your own laundry soap. Tell me what your recipe is and how you like it. Maybe even where you got it. And be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for coming along with us on this little adventure.